General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Okay, it's good to go. I don't know why. All right, let's see. Do I have? Okay. Then it's this half the days. I did find a weekly open indicator or a placeholder. Okay. Today's Tuesday, the 30th, last day of the month. Tomorrow, ADP. So, what's that, 6:15? Okay, this looks like it's my time. Yeah, it is my time. So it's 8:30, 8:15. Okay, cool. What phase could I say this is confidently? I do like how we came up here. Did I take? No, I didn't. Even with this, just because of time of day. But today was an inside day. So it's accumulation. I stayed on the sideline. Yeah, just doom. Reason for the sideline. Conditions confirmed. Time theory confirms kill zone. None of that. There is no anchor point. No expansion. No terminus hit. Today was a no trade day. And then yes, I could tell today was a going to be a seek and destroy day. About how many times we played around daily open and how we stayed inside London range. We would have needed a run on liquidity instead of just engineering liquidity with their price deliver. I'll say +1 experience to recognize and seek and destroy and not engaging unless it's high probability conditions. If the index for a similar day, if I see another seek and destroy profile like today, it will be even easier to skip that day and save my capital for more favorable conditions. Bam. All right. What did the delivery do today? Okay. I just want to make sure it's not looking crazy. That way I can do this. That's 100. 100. Okay. Stayed inside of Monday's range. Monday's EQ. What candle is this? Is this Sunday? Sunday's candle? Let me look on futures right quick. Let me see NQ. Okay, we did. We got a little sweep there. Because this, I'm finna set up SMT between these just for daily chart. I can't see it. It's too. Just make it thicker. Yeah. This one's lower than that one. So we got something similar last week where we took that high. We didn't take this. That's why this looks weird. That kind of threw me off for a second. Let me continue on. Nothing really too much to glean there because I think it's more important when it does it on or when it doesn't do it on futures. This is seek and destroy. We did come up to premium of this, and it's kind of like OTE vibes, but we didn't get the reaction. Note this H1 order block or bearish order block cannot be trusted because it didn't create a fair value gap reaction from the rejection of open prices of the open price of the open price. Seek and destroy daily profile. Also note today is the last day, the monthly candle, and the quarterly candle. So it's an important day. Let's go to the H1. We can take off this box since we pretty much disrespected it. We can keep this and extend it. I think we break above it. This is one of the most beautiful consolidations I've seen in a long time. I want to see this ran, but let me put this in a box. From this wick to this, we hit this range and just kind of chilled. I'm trying to consolidate it to maybe just this candle. Yeah, we can push up here. Let's clear this out. I'm gonna leave this box here just because this range is crazy. I want to see us eventually break back through it, but this should be like a brick wall. If this ain't a balanced price range, I don't know what it is. Very tight range. Relative equal lows, S&T. Clone. I still like this for take profit. Let's clean up this. Even if we go here and kind of just use this rejection block or take out this failure swing, I find that interesting. Fair swing by side liquidity. Where to buy from though? Wait for a retracement. Really kind of where we opened at. Below daily open. Just anywhere is good. Let it come below here. It'll be even better if we get, say, here. like react off the rejection block. Bam. All right, you ready? I prefer to see some real external rand though. From here to here, it's okay if we do see just strong order flow, but let's take the high and then let's start targeting this. If we just wick this and then failure to close above this daily high, okay, I'll reuse this line for this old high to start targeting lower. But that's all I need just for the killing ground. Anchor point ideas, I would want to see, for buys, I want to see Tuesday's low. Or not for sales, I want to see Monday's high. For buys, will have to be, yeah, let's say H1 fair value gap first because of CFD, SMT, and futures took that low. Also, actual anchor point, if it's not Tuesday, for a buy would be better at Wednesday because of that nasty accumulation range. The collection of wicks at the bottom. Let's go to the daily. We still got this down candle high up here. I don't like that. That's interesting as well. That down candle hasn't had a down candle. No PD arrays here. Just a candle that we stayed inside. No sign of F here. Today was inside day. Be waiting on news. It is NFP week. Keep in mind. Somebody gonna blow their account this week playing with NFP. All right. Waiting. Let's do silver. Okay. Mm, it's an awkward London high today. Small range Asia, large range Monday, London. Large range Asia, small range Monday, London. Um, it's kind of a classic sale day, but look who we open and close. Like that's not that much of a candle body. London offer to sale. It is very small range day. Range day in relation to open close prices. This is a sign of waiting on NFP as well. I don't have the week thing. See, I got the weekly open price now though. Hold on, this is starting on a Monday. Let me see what this is starting. Hold on, I did something wrong. Control Z. Perfect. Then where is this? Okay, it's my date dividers that's off. What did I use for date dividers here? This. All right. Shout out to Colorado Hughes. That's a good indicator. It's simple, straight to the point, no craziness. Mm, I guess I can make it bluer. Mm, even looking from here, like staying inside, we took this low. I don't have daily high low. Took Monday's low. Mean reversion. Came right back to EQ. We ain't going nowhere. Then tomorrow's technically the the textbook day. Mm-hmm. Price ran previous day low and return to EQ. Still kind of playing around this high. Mm, since Monday, Tuesday took Monday, we came back. We're still playing around this high. We should take these highs now. It's too clean. Even if we is waiting, we should just take that. It's just too clean. Okay. See, Monday, Tuesday high, relative, equal highs. Um, seem like the next logical target. Mm, I want to sell. Selling now below Friday's high is okay. It's just which price holding on main assets or main, yeah, almost everything. That's a good way to say it. Price holding on almost everything for NFP. Gotta be cautious. NFP always do this too. Some weeks NFP is like normal, like you can't even tell it's NFP, and then sometimes NFP just show out where we ain't gonna do nothing. Good 15. Hmm. We actually got through this high here. So let's put this. Broke this previous day's high. Mm, previous day's low still here. Equal lows here. And we have OTE of this larger range that we're in. I still can see higher. Profile, Asia low, not a classic profile. Okay, not a classic profile. A relative small range day. Here as well. Notice how all the charts kind of just snapped back into Monday's range. Now, we know it's not typical even for an NFP week, but I think it has more to do with this candle being end of the quarter, end of the month, plus NFP week. I think that's why we're seeing this type of PA. Okay. If you have us a bullish SMT here, and this is from the SMT window, it's not from the higher time frame. I still like the OTE retracement here. Okay. Retracement here for a sale. Let's go to the daily. I gotta look at the H4 more. Very small range candles. We're all kind of just hanging out in this right here too. I still like this low too. That low is beautiful. Order block up here, still interesting. Okay. Still an accumulation. I can't put too much weight on this. Put too much weight on this current price action because we are really still in that big down candle being housed by, what is that? So that's Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday. Housed by Thursday's down candle. We need to leave this range. There was no framework. Yeah, no framework to trade. For a setup, don't learn about myself. I did good. I double checked my filters. It seemed it wasn't trade day and stuck to my system. What will I watch for tomorrow? Some type of expansion. You can go up or down. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.